Hello, how are you today? I just wanted to welcome you to this new course. This is something that my TikTokers they wanted me to do. Many have approached me and asked me to teach them English, and usually cost is a factor. Um, if you look at it this way, normally most tuition that people give here in the GCC, it can range from anywhere from 10 to 20 reals per hour. And that is anywhere from 30 to $60 per hour. Now, it's a very good way to make money, but at the same time, there's people that need the English, they can't afford it. These are parents that have, mashallah, they have good jobs, and mashallah, they have good fortune enough to afford these types of lessons. But I wanted to make a course specifically on phonics, and it's actually a series. So this particular one is the sounds of A. And this will be focusing in on all of the sounds that A can make with other letters, as well as A by itself. It's important because studies have shown that if you have a strong foundation in phonics, that you'll be able to read and understand much more quickly than if you only are working with grammar and spelling. So I've decided that this is the way we will start. It's a very basic, but it is colorful and it is more geared to adults than is if I were teaching children. If I were teaching children, we'd have color crayons and activities and this type of thing. But I didn't want to do something like that for this course because I thought it's better that we have it. It's around ages 16 plus. So you can take it if you are a younger person, but just know that Udemy's platform isn't for children necessarily. So moms and dads, if you were to be there and they take the course, it's okay. But at the same time, this course is actually geared more for adults or 16 plus. So I hope you enjoy. You will be given opportunities to join my Facebook community, as well as I will have an optional class dojo. Um, and this optional version is can be marked and graded. Okay, I'm doing Udemy as a full time job right now. So, as I am a full time qualified 20 to 25 years teaching and education experience, I believe feedback is very important. And knowing how you do in an assignment would actually be valuable feedback. So, again, I hope you join me in the series. This one starts it off with the sounds of A. We'll see you soon. Thanks.